So, wakas!
So, I took a bath, and this is what the bathroom looks like. I'm gonna show you. So, this is the bathroom. There's a mirror, and this is the sink, and this is the shower. This is the toilet, and it's open. I'm going to take a shower, and it's open, and some fishermen can see you. So this is probably my favorite part of this bathroom because of the lighting. And yeah, never mind the bags and the plastics because those are my cousins. Earlier I decided that I would like get naked while taking a bath, and then I realized there are fishermen just fishing in the dark, and I thought there's no way I'm gonna get naked while they're in there. So I turned the lights off, that lighting, and then I left it open. So this is me editing right now. We are actually located at the topmost part of the resort, so yeah, we may be a bit visible, but not that visible, like they can totally see our naked bodies while taking a bath. But you know, I was paranoid because I can't see anything because it was dark when we arrived at the resort. So me being paranoid was just normal. Like, if you know me, you know me. So I was like afraid to take a bath, like with all the lights on. So I turned some of the lights and just left the dim lights open. And yeah, I survived that night until I realized in the morning that we're not actually that visible from below. So yeah, back to the video. The lights are turned on. We had to like take the stairs going up here to our room. So we're now going downstairs. I haven't combed my hair yet. It's just gonna dry on its own. So we're just taking photos of ourselves, and where are they? They left me with. Look at that! It's so pretty. I can't wait to see how it looks like in the morning because crabby. Look. Hi, Mom. So big. You're so big. sleeping inside, and I decided to go out and see what it looks like, and it's so pretty. And I tried to get water, but I accidentally got hot water instead of cold water, so I'm still not drinking it. And this is what it looks like. that is another room, I think. Yep, breakfast.